Alright guys, got a couple of parcels from Emry. Well, they used to be called Erms. But before we go any further, thank you very much David C for that. For the nice hoodie. That is very nice of you, David C. Thank you very much for that nice hoodie. Yeah, David C got me a nice Liverpool FC hoodie. So I want to say thank you very much for that, mate. I'm having a quiet night tonight. You're just watching By the Curb. Is anyone subscribed to that? By the Curb. He goes riding in a camper van. By the Curb. So I'm watching some people's videos. My shoes have come. I think this is from, oh, this is all wet. I think, oh, get in. I think the Christmas presents. I don't really want to open them. Yeah, these are Christmas presents. Oh, sweet, man. Oh. I know where this is from. Thank you, buddy. I'm tossing you a text. I'm not going to open these till Christmas. Oh, my favourite, drumsticks. Oh, nice. A box of goodies. Mark and Ellen. So that's Mark and Ellen. Thank you. Fruit and nut. I was going to buy some of these this week. Oh, drumsticks. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm starting fresh 1st of January. Oh, wow. I'm not opening these to Christmas. So thank you very much for them. There's a lot more. Oh wow, look at all these goodies. My dad had a Westie called Benji. He passed away at age 14. Yeah, my dad had a dog called Benji. They would live up to 10 to 12-year-old, but he passed away at age 14. I went there when he was there. Last time I seen him, Benji. Then when I went back, he wasn't there anymore, and it's heartbreaking, really, because they're not as a pet. They're part of the family. Fucking miss you, Benji. I fucking miss you, buddy. See, I took it for granted that I thought it was always going to be there. So this reminds me of my dad's dog. And I'm thank you very much for that. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Some cookies. Oh, sweet, man. Oh, fruit pastels. I was thinking about them tonight. I'm eating too much chocolate. I thought I want some jelly sweets. Nice. Oh, wow. Chocolate orange biscuits. I'll share these. I'm going to share these with that. I'm going to share these with Ellen. But we've got another present in here. Wow. I know what that is. But I'm not going to touch these to Christmas. I'm going to save all the gifts for Christmas. Then after the 25th, I can start eating them. I won't eat these tonight. Unless I have Christmas sweets. Instead of eating them on Christmas, I can eat them now, can't I? No. Yeah, well, I'm going to have a pack. Yeah. I'm going to have a pack of these. I was thinking about going to the shop and get some sweets. I love drumsticks. Oh, I used to love them. I used to eat loads of these. No, but I'm going to share them with Adam. I'm actually glad. I'm actually glad you sent me this. It's going to remind me of my dad's dog. Oh, miss you, Benji. So I get a bit emotional. Yeah, thank you very much for the gifts. Yeah. I think when I get older, I think I'm gonna have a couple. I'm gonna have a couple of Westies. So thank you very much. I'm going to open this when Alan's here. I'm going to share the gifts with Alan. No, I'm not going to open these gifts to Christmas. I'll wait for Alan to come round and we can share the gifts together. I don't want to be greedy. Yeah. So thank you very much. I'm actually going to send you a message. Very grateful, man. People send me lovely gifts for Christmas. It's nice when you get people volunteer to send gifts. You could send Ellen a Christmas card. If you want to. But she can open the Christmas card when Ellen's here. I'm just trying to call it by the curb. I've always wanted to do that. Get a little camper van and go travelling down Cornwall and Devon. But I don't have the money. Like stopping bed and breakfast in hotels, but I think it's a good life going around in a camper van. I mean, you can rent one here. About £600-700 for the week. But yeah. So thank you very much for the gifts. Yeah. We're not getting any younger, are we? Know what I mean? You've got to try and do as much as you can in your life.